Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between the words Picaroon, Buccaneer, and privateer. These nouns describe different types of pirates, but what kind of types we are about to figure it out in this video. Picaroon. Picaroon is a small-scale pirate. Picaroons operate in small-scale operations, let's say engaged in small-scale operations. For instance, robbing small ships, vessels, boats, etc. It's a low profit way of life for them, but nonetheless, they are picaroons. What about the next one? So, the next one is Buccaneer. Buccaneers were pirates during the late 17th, early 18th centuries who were operating in the Caribbean. So the approximate date range probably from 1675 to 1725 or perhaps 1735. Buccaneers were engaged in larger operations, like robbing merchant ships, probably cargo ships, but mostly they were robbing Spanish and French ships in the Caribbean during this time period. So, the last word, privateer. Privateers mostly like buccaneers, but I would say that a privateer is like a licensed pirate. Why? Because they were working for government. The government, and mostly this is about the British Empire. So the British Empire was giving them a permission, let's say, a permission to rob Spanish and French ships in the Caribbean, and sometimes Portuguese ships. So it was mostly about the competition between these empires, and the British Empire was hiring some kind of, let's say, hunters, maybe even bandits, and so on, giving them permission, license to rob large, big ships in the Caribbean from that were belonging to their competitors, like Spain, Portugal, French. So that's wrapping it up for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.